What's going on, guys? Here at Whittier Narrows. Beautiful wife.
Hello.
Kids. Ethan, say hi. Say hi, Vinny. Can you guys use your scooters here? No. Obviously not. Let's go. Let's go feed some ducks.
Wait, did you even get the bread?
I don't have bread. We're gonna feed them kids. Today we're feeding the ducks kids. Huh,
Kids
Papa?
and scooters.
Except babies. Only kids. Oh, and scooters. We're gonna feed them the scooters. Hey, you're gonna mess up your scooter like that, most likely. I think so. Should've just left it in the car, man. Oh, God. Ugh. Wait, were you recording?
No.
You want to record?
No.
You don't want to record? All right, let's go. I don't think you should like ride it like I told you, because you're gonna fall, Vinny. Here's my.
I'm gonna tell you what happened to SV.
What happened? Oldest nephew.
Teddy chased.
Yeah, hi.
Ducky.
Yeah, look at all the duckies. Wow, they're coming in hot.
Oh my God.
Can they have some so they can feed too?
Look at them.
Yeah, they're the bags.
Look at them. Hey guys, you know what time it is? What? It's bath time. Did you know that ducks have a tongue? No. You did not? What do you think how they're going to eat? They have teeth. You have teeth on their own. Like you have it and on their tongue.
Mama, look.
In the water, Josh?
Okay.
Yeah, in the water.
Oh my God.
Don't wet my phone.
Because one time I was at this different. This is where I'm at right now. There's a lot of ducks. A lot of them. Oh, you guys hate one.
Look how dirty that water is. You can see through it though. Babe, be careful with the edge, okay, babe? You could slip in there, that's why. The mud. My beautiful sister with her youngest daughter, SV. Oh, beautifuls. Look at Melanie, her oldest daughter, third in line. And there's Josh, second oldest. In the water, Tata. In the water. In the water. Look at all the Oreos he's thrown over here.
Teddy, stay over here.
Come here, boy. Stay with me.
He's still a bad boy.
Stay with me. He's a dog. He knows nothing better. He doesn't know any better.
Here.
No, don't throw that. Don't throw that. That's
Don't
not.
throw that plastic
That's
bag.
trash.
There's trash in here.
No,
Throw
pick
the
it up.
trash in there.
Put it in the bag.
Throw the trash in the bag.
Good job, Tata. Good job.
Why'd you bring the scooters too? Oh.
I told him not to bring it.
Here, Mama.
Why? Right here on the sidewalk.
Where?
Are you eating the cereal or are you
There's like a look, come here. I'll show you.
Here.
Come here.
You don't want to get cereal?
So I'm gonna, since
Mama?
Santa said no for them bringing this.
No, I said, I just said like, you know, they're not gonna be able to ride it here.
Oh,
Like right here.
really? Oh yeah, they can't ride it. But
Come here, Teddy.
there really is no
Only up there.
sidewalk.
Yeah.
They can ride it right there.
Wow, this is a beautiful park though. Whittier Narrows, Montebello, California. You can search it up. Whittier Narrows. Whittier Narrows. Like my video, share it, subscribe. It's our family times.
Oh,
I'm gonna probably hit you with the message of the day, maybe. What a beautiful park. Let's zoom in into the sun. Hold on. Let's zoom in on the sun.
it's going down in about like 15 minutes. Yeah, like 15 minutes? Or so.
Oh, you have some.
Just putting them back in.
Yeah.
Vinny gets cereal. He's eating it too.
Yeah, they're not bad. I just have so much damn cereal.
It's Kicks, no? Kicks is bomb.
Huh?
Who don't like Kicks, dude?
Kicks, Cheerios. I have a lot of them. They're all from Whittier.
Cheerios is like, it has to have the honey.
I like the cereal that I was eating.
The Kicks.
No, not the kids, the other cereal. Like, this one. These are the ones that I like. Jacob, what are you doing?
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Come here, boy. Come on.
Oh, yeah. I see plumber's crack.
Oh no.
Yes,
No, no, no. Don't go. Don't go, my boy. Come on, beautiful boy. Second in line.
No,